Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Scalar FX. And today we're going to be talking about, or firstly, we can go through EU. We can go through an outlook on EU, and then we can really talk about why you should stress less. Or I'll make another video on that, separate video. But yeah, let's look at EU. So if I go to the daily, so what I am expecting for this pair, right? What I'm expecting for this pair here is in EU. Okay, I need to delete all this. Let me just choose another one. EU. But yeah, you know what? I'll keep it. I'll just choose account. Let's see. I'm gonna delete all these stuff then. Okay. So on EU, as I inspect EU, we have been bullish in this. We have overall been bullish. You should check the weekly. I have been bullish in EU. Since for a long time now. So we've been bullish since from here after this reaccumulation. We've switched to bullishness after price, or if you do not know what reaccumulation is, I'll just call it after price has collected some orders here and mitigated some SNDs or support and resistance or order blocks, whatever you may call them. After prices came into this area here, after price came back into here, we have seen with these breaks here that price now is switching from sells to buyers, from bearish to bulls, right? So yeah, so we can see confirmation of these runs, because why? Price now is continuing to break these highs here, to break these here highs here, and continuing to really push on forward. And as we go on to maybe 1 hour, we can see the support of this bullish run by something I personally use, and it's mitigation, SND mitigation support, and supply and demand mitigation. We can see price here sweep liquidity here, or created liquidity, whatever. We see this break here. We see this break. Price came into an SND, or a demand. This is a demand. Shot into this demand and continued up where it wanted to go, which is bullish, right? So I've been bullish in this pair, and it's gonna continue buying unless it may show some type of unless it may break these lows, these strong lows, or something like that, right? So this pair is bullish, and let me just see 4 hour here. Let's go to 4 hour. Okay, as you're on the 4 hour. So a lot of people, I do not know whether it's gonna pull back into these demands here, right? Whatever these demands, in this area, right? I don't know whether it's gonna pull into these areas here. Whatever support resistance it may be, or order block you have marked out, I do not know whether it's gonna pull here. What I do know is price doesn't need to pull here. It doesn't need to pull here. It may continue from where it is at now. It may just continue from where it is at now. Maybe continue a bit up and then continue taking its targets, going for its targets here, right? Going for its targets and continue moving on upwards. So it doesn't necessarily have to pull back into the order blocks. You have to adapt to what price does. So we can see that But yeah, I am bullish on this pair. I did take a entry here. It was with a buy. It did hit my TP and then it pulled back to break even. So my partial out was around here, and it did come back to break even here. As you can see, that means that price is continuing to sell, but I'm not going to be selling. I'm going to be looking for buys. Trade one bias that aligns with multiple time frames. So yeah, that is all I am going to be giving out today. So if you I'll maybe make another video on the topic I actually wanted to talk about. But if you liked this video, if you gained anything, if you want to continue with the outlooks, you may comment down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please remember to subscribe and like.